new try and attempt to plough 130R. I've never ploughed before, so let's give this a go. Right, hammer lesson. Let's give this a go. No, I'm joking. It's actually quite enjoyable. So yeah, as I said a minute ago, this is the 130R. I've never even driven it before. I used to have a 6.4 that I drove on the farm, and then I had kids. So getting back into it and ploughing, why not, on a Sunday afternoon. My father-in-law Arthur, he's just gone to go and have his Sunday roast, bless him. It's the only way we can get him to have time off. So I've taken over for a minute, and my husband's just given me the green light to try. Yeah, I don't know. Here we go anyways. Right, got to try and remember what I'm doing. Sorry if I don't talk, that's why. Right. Right, the plough is going in. And we're 50, 46%. 38, there we go. So I'm driving in B4. I'm going to give it some more revs. Can you tell? I'm a complete novice. But we've got to give these things a go, otherwise we don't learn, do we? I've been told to be really careful this side of the field because it's wet, so we don't get stuck. So I've got to pull out a bit early and then almost drive on the work. So this was a weedy grass field, so it got sprayed off. Now we're going to plough, not great for regenerative farming that we're trying to accomplish, but we will get there. Yeah, that's the way we're trying to go. And then this will be planted back into grass, possibly for the pits, I'm going to say, because it'll be a new lake. And it's too far from the dairy, but obviously we've got the beef animals too. That will be going around the outer platform. Right, I'm going to start thinking about pulling out. So last year Arthur was competing, well, for many years Arthur's been competing in plough matches. He hasn't done it for a few years actually, so it wasn't last year. I'm going to give a few more reps. It's going a bit slow. Right, now I'm going to pull out. There we go, and I'm going to turn. Oh my god, that's rough. They didn't say it was going to be that rough. Wish me luck, kiddos. If I get stuck, they're going to laugh so bad. Yeah, anyway, so he used to compete quite a lot in plough matches, so he's good at his ploughing, so I'm just going to mess up all his lines and he's going to get back and he's going to have to try and fix it. But anyway, happy days. Live and learn. don't let Abby on your tractor while you're having lunch. Right, where's my, there we go, there's my numbers, so I'm going to reverse now, because that is really wet and I don't want to get stuck. Yeah, so, I mean, it's actually quite nice that you can put that front wheel in the front. everything's mathematical. Right, there we go. So what am I doing again? So I'm in B, going forwards, there's the plough, it's out the ground, foot off the clutch, plough going in. I mean, don't laugh too hard at my attempt to concentrate at the same time. There we go. I don't know how you guys make it look so fluid, I'm not gonna lie. And had a tutorial after I've ploughed, but actually it was really good to learn a few things and how Arthur corrected my early outs, but it's going well. It's just that really wet area. Get this field done today. He wants to leave it for a couple of days to dry out and then we'll be working the ground down, so I'll try and jump on the tractor then and learn another thing. See you later.